Kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ 30 kuma aikio ngono ni borithi, Husni Barak ndari onekana, ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩire jaji wa igoti inene rĩa Mombatha Eric Ogola Joseph Boinnet na Noordin Haji makinyie Barak igoti-ini. Kurerikana ati Barak anyitirwo tariki 25 mweri wa gatano na agĩikio ngari-inĩ ya white muthemba wa Toyota Fielder itũra-inĩ rĩa Majengo na ndaigana kuonekana rĩngĩ.
It is the issue for the police to provide order and security, and so it behoves the police to establish the whereabouts of the said Husni Barak Khalid.
Kuhitukira wakiri wa Mohamed Faki, family ya Barak ni andikithitie cira igoti-ini ikienda kumenya kiria gitumite mage kuona mwana wao thikũ 30 kuma riria anyitirwo.
Tunaongojea tu hiyo tarehe 29 tusikie watatuambia nini. Sina maneno zaidi, ili naomba tu mtoto wangu aregee nyumbani, aregeshwe. Kama atapelekwa kotini apelekwe kama ana makosa, na kama ana lolote amefanya mambo kitoto asamehewe tu kama watu wanavyosamehewa.
Family ino ningi ni yugite kamwana kau gathiaga garage-ini ya baba wao kuma bushiri-ini iria yari hakuhi hindi iria aikirio ngono.
That the police must present Husni Barak dead or alive on 29th of June 2018.
The police have done no investigations whatsoever. They have not even bothered to interview witnesses who are there. They've not even bothered to even get themselves to the crime scene.
Kuringana na Faki, agikorwo kuri mahitia mwana ucio ekite, agirirwo ni gutacukirio ikinya riria riagirire na akinyio igoti-ini.
The police or state agents are involved in this abduction, and that is their reluctance to investigate the abduction and maybe make a recommendation as to what should be done.
County Commander Johnston Ipara ni augite ikundi igiri cia uthuthuria ni ciambitie gwethana na kamwana kau. Wainaina wa Kiarie, handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV.